তাহলে শান্ট অ্যাডমিটেন্স যে 2 × 10⁻³ সাইমেন using 100 MVA and line voltage as base voltage, base values, calculate per unit impedance or per unit admittance. The circuit will be like that. I have drawn in the figure. You see the circuit. Series means which is in series. We have done that type of problem. That problem is another. So you should note down it. The admittance is J 2 × 10⁻³ তাহলে what we can do, Z per unit, what is the formula of Z per unit? Z per unit equal to Z into the actual value into MVA base divided by KV base. Sometimes MVA base we write S in the triangle. S is the MVA. So we can write here to solve the problem. You see 11 kV cannot, it will be wrong if we take 11 kV
230,
because a 230 kV transmission line
yes, sir.
has using 100 MVA and the line voltage as the base. The line voltage 230 kV is the base. Remember, that is we should write 230. We never write 100. If we write 11 kV, it is wrong.
At point 11. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can.
In the last line, sir, why you write, sir, admittance divided by 100 and base value divided by 100 also, sir. Two times, sir, 100.
Oh, yes.
MVA value, sir, one time there will be, sir, should one time.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You have given, I am thanking you, you have given 2 attentives.
Yes, sir.
Your attentiveness is appreciable. Huh? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
There is y J 2 × 10⁻³. It is the value of y. And 230 kV, that is y per unit means 1 by Z per unit. Correct. It is correct. I am going to another problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
But you see that if that kind of problem comes, if they may change the data. So we have to understand the calculation. Okay, a 3-phase synchronous generator delivers 10 MVA at a voltage of 10.5 kV. The line impedance is 5 ohm. Determine the volt drop in the line in per unit and in volts. Use reference base as 12 MVA at 11 kV. I am solving that problem. You can see any problem? Now we have to calculate the voltage drop. We have to calculate the voltage drop. The impedance is given. Impedance is what? 5 ohm impedance is there.
Yes, sir.
That is here 5 ohm. You see voltage drop in the line equal to what?
Total current into impedance.
Acha, to make you clear, I also giving you another information, then there will be no ambiguity. If anything is not written, if we do not write anything, then you understand that it is per phase. If we do not write anything, then you will understand what the impedance is per phase. Acha, if we write in the problem, then it is okay. The impedance is always taken in per phase. Remember you.
Yes, sir.
Impedance, that is resistance, reactance, all are taken in per phase. If nothing is told. So now we have voltage drop, we have calculated, it is 2749 volt. We have dropped in the line. Now we shall use per unit method. We shall use per unit method. We have to calculate by per unit. Now S per unit equal to, we have to calculate the MVA in per unit base. With base, now you see. Now we are going to per unit. You see what we have done. We have given in the problem SB equal to 12 MVA and KVV, that is base voltage equal to what? 11 kV. You see in the last line of the problem. Okay. They told use reference base as 12 MVA at 11 kV. MVA, 12 MVA, it is by SB. SB means K, MVA, base MVA. SB means base MVA. Now S per unit, that is MVA per unit, equal to S 3 phase divided by SB 3 phase. S 3 phase, what is S 3 phase? 10 MVA given in the problem, and we have taken base MVA 12. Understand? We have not divided 10 by 12 because you cannot take up to 0.6 position of the point, because MVA means it is a big figure. Understand? It
Yes,
is
sir.
better to keep 10 by 12, better to keep. It is there. And now you see K per unit, KV per unit. তাহলে KV, actual KV divided by base KV. Then actual KV, what is that? 10.5 is the actual KV. And base KV, what is that? 11. So 0.95 per unit. আচ্ছা, I per unit equal to K, S per unit divided by KV per unit. 10 divided by 12. It is okay.
Yes, sir.
But I think there may be some wrong. You see, S per unit is 10 to the power 6 is there. You see, you check it. You check it and find the where is the thing. Because S per unit to S per unit, yeah, S per unit it is okay because
They are same units, sir.
so I per unit it is 0.8687 per unit. Well, I have shown there. MVA it is cut. MVA S per unit. So that unit is not here. Now volt drop in the line. The per unit volt drop, we want to calculate the per unit volt drop. Understand? The voltage drop in per unit we want to calculate. It will be easier if we can calculate the voltage drop in per unit. Then we can convert it. We are getting 2749 volt drop in the line. That is the answer. SB is what?
Yes, sir.
KV base is what? 11. Equal to what? Z per unit?
0.49, sir.
0. Thank you very much. You are studying very well. Huh? Now I am discussing about transmitted power. We have three types of power. One is single phase, three phase, and transmitted power. Transmitted power equal to what? I am writing. You see in your notebook, you see that we have done that proof. P is the transmitted power. Yes, you see that you see that
What is the topic name?
topic is power. Power. Topic is power. I am very happy that today you have everybody told in English.
Sir, thank you.